Are you looking as homeowners increasingly seek to blend style with functionality in their bathrooms? The demand for high-quality Centerset faucets has grown rapidly. These compact fixtures offer an ideal mix of space-saving design, ease of installation, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're remodeling or replacing an old faucet, this guide evaluates the top Centerset faucets based on build quality, finish, installation ease, and value for money, helping you find the perfect match for your sink and style. List number: bathroom faucets for sink 3-hole. Huron 4-inch matte black with pop-up drain and 2 supply hoses. This Huron 4-inch Centerset faucet brings a bold, modern look to any bathroom with its striking matte black finish. Built with durability in mind, it features a lead-free brass body and ceramic disc valves to prevent leaks over time. Installation is user-friendly, thanks to the included pop-up drain and dual 23.6-inch supply hoses. The two-handle design offers precise temperature control, while the aerated flow ensures a splash-free stream. Despite its sleek aesthetic, this faucet is also highly practical and budget-friendly, making it ideal for homeowners seeking both form and function. The matte black finish resists fingerprints and water spots, which makes maintenance a breeze. Overall, it's a solid pick for modern bathrooms in need of a stylish and efficient upgrade. List 2. Bathroom faucets for sink 3-hole. Huron 4-inch brushed nickel with pop-up drain and supply lines. If you're after a classic yet contemporary faucet, this brushed nickel version from Huron fits the bill perfectly. It shares the same robust construction and thoughtful design as its matte black counterpart, but features a timeless brushed nickel finish that complements a wide variety of bathroom decors. The finish is resistant to corrosion and tarnishing, ensuring the faucet maintains its sheen over time. It comes complete with a matching pop-up drain and pre-attached supply lines, making installation straightforward. This model's smooth handle operation and leak-resistant ceramic valve provide everyday comfort and reliability for those wanting an elegant update without overspending. This Centerset faucet is a dependable choice that balances aesthetics and value exceptionally well. List number: bathroom faucets for sink 3-hole. Huron 4-inch matte black with pop-up drain and 2 supply hoses. Duplicate. Why this appears to be a duplicate listing of the first product, it deserves another nod for its standout features and broad appeal. The matte black finish offers a clean, high-end appearance that's especially popular in contemporary and minimalist bathrooms. Like its sibling, it comes with all installation hardware, including a matching pop-up drain and flexible supply hoses. It also features drip-free ceramic cartridges and a lead-free waterway, emphasizing safety and long-term durability. Whether you're outfitting a guest bathroom or upgrading your primary suite, this faucet offers reliable performance and a stylish upgrade at a competitive price. Its consistent positive reviews reflect its value, ease of installation, and performance in daily use. List number: Delta Faucet Nicoli Widespread Bathroom Faucet 3-hole Gold Bathroom Sink Faucet. Delta's Nicoli Widespread Faucet is a luxurious centerpiece for high-end bathroom designs. Although technically a widespread faucet, its compatibility with 3-hole setups makes it a strong contender for this list. The champagne bronze gold finish adds warmth and sophistication, setting it apart from more conventional finishes. Designed for both style and substance, the Nicoli features diamond seal technology to reduce leak points and extend the faucet's life. The two-handle operation offers intuitive temperature control, while the included drain assembly and water sense label add to its eco-conscious design. While priced higher than other models, it justifies the investment with Delta's trusted craftsmanship and a limited lifetime warranty. This is the faucet for those who want a blend of designer appeal and lasting reliability. List 5. Moen Weatherly Spot Resist Brushed Nickel 2-handle Centerset Bathroom Faucet with Drain Assembly. Moen's Weatherly Centerset Faucet blends classic design with modern convenience. The brushed nickel finish with spot-resist technology helps prevent water spots and fingerprints, making it perfect for busy households. The faucet features a sturdy metal construction and Moen's standard ceramic disc valve for long-term durability. It's ADA compliant and includes a matching drain assembly for a seamless look. The two-handle design provides smooth operation and precise water control, while its compact 4-inch spread makes it ideal for smaller vanities. Backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty, the Weatherly offers a reliable, stylish solution that complements both traditional and transitional bathroom styles. If you're looking for a dependable, easy-to-clean faucet with a timeless appeal, this is a smart pick.